Welcome back to Northside Pyro. Today we're going to be having some fun with some 200 gram cakes, and what we're going to do is we're going to do 3 of the biggest brands, a 200 gram cake from each. We got Winda, Lace Combustion, 15 shots. Got that at Big Daddy K for $18. We got Colorful Skies by Raccoon, which is, I should have checked before, 25 shots. And we also got that for $14 at Big Daddy K. And Evil Enemy from Brothers, a 36 shot cake for $17 from Big Daddy K. It's almost the 4th of July. Everybody wants to be lighting off fireworks, including me. So let's go ahead and take these outside and have some fun. And I don't know if we'll do a review or not at the end, but the main point is to go and have some fun. All right, we got Lace Combustion. I got Colorful Skies. Evil Enemy.